The Hooded Pitta. A fascinating species to study. Its elusive nature and preference for dense undergrowth make it challenging to observe in the wild. However, its unmistakable call and vibrant colors make it a rewarding subject for research and conservation efforts. This bird is primarily insectivorous, feeding on a variety of insects, worms, and other invertebrates found in the forest understory. Its sharp beak and agile movements enable it to catch prey with precision, ensuring its survival in its habitat. During the breeding season, hooded pittas form monogamous pairs and engage in elaborate courtship rituals. The male displays its colorful plumage and sings melodious songs to attract a mate. Once a pair is formed, they work together to build a nest and raise their young. Despite its striking beauty, the hooded pitta faces threats from habitat loss and fragmentation due to deforestation and human encroachment. As guardians of these ancient forests, it is our responsibility to ensure that the hooded pitta and other species continue to thrive in their natural habitat, enriching our world with their presence for generations to come.